Hello everyone, let us provide a solution to this simple problem which I have posted on my Facebook page day before yesterday. We are given two pictures and we are asked to find the height of the bed. Let us examine the two pictures. This is a combined height. The height of the man including the height of the bed, together we have 200. This is simply what? The height of the bed plus the height of the man equals 200. What about this one? You can see that the height is not from the ground level. A certain height has been deducted, which is the height of the bed, to get the remaining height. So you have to take the height of the man minus the height of the bed for you to get this 170. So it is m minus b, or simply minus b plus m, all the same, because I want bb to correspond. This is 170. But since we are looking for the height of the bed, you can eliminate m by subtraction. This minus this will give us 2 of these b's. This minus this is 0. This minus this is 30. And lastly, you divide both sides by 2. B is equal to 15, which implies that the height of the bed is 15. As simple as that. All right.